Hi randoms, today I'm going to share my experience with another The Ordinary products. This time is the salicylic acid 2%. And now, as you can see, I have very acne prone skin and salicylic acid is a key ingredient for anyone with acne prone skin. But anyways, I'm going to share with you guys in this review the pros and cons of this, my thoughts, my overall experience, have I seen any benefits. Also, I'm going to touch on the formula, how I incorporate this in my skincare routine, and a very big mistake that I made that really harmed my skin a lot, but that's for the end of the video. So if you're interested in all this, then let's start reviewing. Now, if you're thinking of implementing maybe a salicylic acid like this one in your skincare routine, let me tell you what benefits you should expect from this, what it should deliver to you, okay? So this, a salicylic acid, is a BHA, and BHAs are really supposed to penetrate deeper into the layers of your skin. So really, salicylic acid is supposed to really exfoliate your skin and clean your skin from the inside out, pushing out all the gunk, all the dirt, all the excess sebum out of your pores and really clean out your pores. Therefore, it's really going to be beneficial for specifically acne prone skin people, but also like everyone in general. It's going to reduce your blackheads you might experience, especially in the T-zone, like nose area, forehead, chin, cheeks. Blackheads, whiteheads, reduce the acne that you might currently be experiencing, but also preventing future breakouts, so that's really crucial. Also, it's gonna smooth out your skin, it's gonna make it a lot brighter and reduce any texture that you might be experiencing. So for example, if you have maybe little bumps underneath your skin that they're not quite big as pimples. But now specifically talking about this product, is this any good? Well, first of all, let's talk about the formula. What I love about this is that why does it not open? 1 second, it's so tightly shut. But basically, as you can see, it is very liquidy, so it's really easy to spread around. So by the way, this is 2%, so it's quite a strong solution. And actually the formula in this one is pure salicylic acid. It is not mixed in with anything else. Like for example, I did another review of a salicylic acid, the Nip and Fab one, Colorado Pure, and that one of the pros, or what I liked about it, is that it was mixed in with niacinamide, so you would be getting both the benefits of salicylic acid and niacinamide, which together they are insane. It's really a power duo. But this one is just salicylic acid, so of course by the formula being just salicylic acids, it's really going to be a lot stronger, a lot more irritating, but also a lot more effective in the terms of getting the results and benefits of a salicylic acid. So really, I just like to apply 1 drop on each cheek, 1 drop on the nose, 1 drop on the forehead, 1 drop on the chin, spread around, and then maybe some days I'm feeling like I have really clogged pores, I go in ahead and put a little more on the T-zone, so to really help with the blackheads. But really, this is such a great formula. Also, another thing that I love about this is that it doesn't have any added scents. It doesn't smell of anything really. And if you know me, if you've been watching my videos for a while now, this is not your first video that you're watching, you know how I feel about scents. I hate scents in my skincare routine. I know that skincare is maybe an experience and some people do like to enjoy to have a little bit of scent, a little bit of perfume, because it does give you, a little bit more. It sounds a bit more bougie, extra. I get that. But also, if you didn't know, fragrances are really irritating for your skin. So in this case, the salicylic acid are going to be irritating on their own because it's an acid. It's supposed to resurface and exfoliate your skin. So really, adding fragrance into a salicylic acid is just counterintuitive. It's going to make your skin a lot more irritated for no added benefit. It's really useless to have any scent in your skincare at all. That's what I think. What I always say is, if you want to smell nice and pretty, use perfume. Do not use scent in your skincare. It's not needed. So this is definitely a pro that I like about this, whereas other salicylic acids that I've used definitely had a lot of scent in it, which they did overall make me a lot more sensitive and a lot more irritated. Now, one thing that I don't like about this formula, it is really foamy. Can you see from the bottle? I don't know if you're able to tell on camera. Let me just actually take it out for you. Can you see how foamy it is?
And they said this year was supposed to be a totally different change. I don't see what a change is at.
And especially when you put it on your face, on your skin, it foams up quite a lot. And I mean, it's nothing major. It's just, I don't like it that much. I feel like The Ordinary could, tackle this problem specifically and make it a little bit better, little bit better of improvement and not make it foam. But really, it's not going to affect the effectiveness of this product in any way. It's just overall the experience. And now how I incorporate this in my skincare routine. Well, first of all, I just want to say this is a a chemical exfoliator. So when you're exfoliating in general, either if it's chemically or physically, so scrubs or AHAs, BHAs, you do not want to overdo it. So this is why I use it thrice a week, depending on how many pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, you know, breakouts overall I have. I might be seeing a breakout in the future, so I use a bit more, so like 2 times, 3 times maximum a week, because if you are over exfoliating, you're actually damaging your skin more than doing it any good. But anyways, how I incorporate this in my skincare routine is, first of all, of course, I cleanse my face, double cleansing method if I have a makeup or whatever. Then I go in with my toner. I like to do my toners, switch them up. So I have an AHA and a BHA toner, and whenever I'm using maybe an AHA serum, I go in with a BHA toner, and when I'm using a BHA serum like this one, I go in with an AHA toner, because I like to mix them up and have the benefits of both in one skincare routine. But then after the toner, I go in with an essence, and then I apply this bad boy. I then go in sometimes if I'm really feeling really like my skin is clogged and not looking nice, I go in with a lactic acid mixed in with this one, and then I move on to hyaluronic acid. Now, since this one does not have hyaluronic acid in this, it is crucial for you to either like apply a lot of moisturizer, or even better, applying and using some hyaluronic acid and then going in with a moisturizer, because acids, BHAs, AHAs, acids in general are really drying and irritating for your skin. And trust me, this is not a good thing. Even if you have oily skin, you still want to keep your skin hydrated. You do not want to dry out your skin. It's only going to make matters worse. And then I go in with a moisturizer to lock in all that moisture, to lock in all the hyaluronic acid and all the salicylic acids and all the products that we used on. And then finally, sometimes I go in with an oil. And now, as I promised you, it's time for the big mistake that I made when using this product. Now, but disclaimer, I was a newbie. I wasn't quite into skincare when I first started using this. This was my first salicylic acid ever. But still, I'm quite ashamed of how reckless I was with my skincare. But basically, since my skin is very acne prone and very oily, what I did is when I saw videos of like people saying, oh, just apply a drop here, drop here, drop here, drop here, and here, and then just, and that's gonna be enough. I was like, psh, please, you have really nice skin, because all these YouTubers doing skincare videos have really nice skin and they're basically flawless. I'm like, what do you know about pimples and acne and oily skin? Girl, look at this. So this is why I'm partially also making videos, because I'm tired of these people with flawless skin making skincare videos, giving us advice where your skin is flawless to begin with. Like, you don't have any issues to treat.
Electric chair.
But anyways, basically what I did, so foolish of me, I went in, I basically filled up the entire dropper and I slathered it all over my face. And then, as if that wasn't enough, I went in with a second layer, because it was like, well, the more I put on, the more effective and the more benefits I'm gonna see. Went to bed. The next day, I woke up like this. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Flawless. No, but really, you guys, you have to be. Pay attention. Do not overuse these. My skin was so red, so irritated, so puffy, swollen. I got a chemical burn. Guys, chemical peels are meant to be done by a dermatologist, by an esthetician, by a professional. I basically did a chemical peel on myself at home with this. This is not how you're supposed to do it. I am your guinea pig. I make all the mistakes for you guys, so that you guys don't have to make them, okay? You're welcome. You're welcome. With my reckless self, you don't have to do it, because I'm here doing all the mistakes of skincare for you guys. Once again, if you thought that I was gonna end this review without mentioning sunscreen, you thought wrong. I always manage to put sunscreen in the video. I could be making a baking video and somehow I
don't know what the fuck she's saying, but girl, I am living.
And somehow I'd be ending up talking about sunscreen. This is how much I preach for sunscreen. What you wanna do is use sunscreen every day. Oh yes, I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you, Samantha. Yes, you need sunscreen every day. Rainy, sunscreen. Sunny, sunscreen. Snow, sunscreen. Hurricane, sunscreen. Hailstorm, sunscreen. Tornado, sunscreen. Girl, sunscreen all year round. Because let me tell you, the sun is the devil. Keep this in mind. all day, every day. The sun is out here to not only damage your skin, as in if you have acne prone skin, your skin is very sensitive on its own. What the sun is gonna do is gonna amplify that acne and make it even worse. So if you have acne prone skin, you wanna do yourself a favor and use sunscreen. When I started using sunscreen every day, I seen such an improvement in my skin. As if that wasn't enough to convert you into the sunscreen team, the winning team. The sun UVAs also age you. They give you wrinkles. They give you fine lines, dark spots. Now I know you might be in your early 20s, late 20s, in the beginning of your 30s, and you still might be not thinking of wrinkles like it's like, oh no, that's far away. I don't have to worry about that now. Like, I want to live life recklessly. No, now is the time to prevent. Prevention is so much better than treating. Think of sex. Is it not better to get like a condom, use a condom or get on the pill rather than taking the morning after pill? Everything in life is about preventing rather than treating. You want to get checked if you have any sicknesses, if any illnesses, instead of just one day figuring out you have a disease and it's already too late. Am I right? Am I right? It's the same with sunscreen. We are the Illuminati. We are smart and we know that the sun is aging us. So if you want to be part of the winning team, get in on the sunscreen, but also you have to subscribe and turn the bell icon on, because we, like my subscribers, me and my subscriber, our family, the random family is also the winning team of YouTube in the sunscreen community. Well, not in the sunscreen, in the skincare community. But anyways, girl, if you are into skincare, if you are a little bit into makeup, if you want to learn what your skin really needs, then definitely consider subscribing and turning the bell icon on so that you don't miss anything of whatever I upload, sis. And now, randoms, as you might know, if you've been watching my videos for quite a long time now, you know what time it is. What time it is. It's time for the Italian word of the video. And since this video was all about salicylic acid and it was about cleaning your skin and keeping your skin clean from all the acne and the pores, the Italian word of the video is, of course, going to be serpente, which is snake in English. Okay, hear me out. I'm running out of Italian words, okay? It's just because I thought, you know what? I'm wearing a snake print t-shirt, a snake print shirt. It might be cute to tell you, you know, if you're going to Italy, you might need to know what like snake is. What if you're like going and hiking up in the mountains and you like see a snake and you want to warn other people and you're like, oh my God, there's a snake. Pay attention. He's gonna bite you. You don't know the word, so you're welcome. Or the other way around, if someone is screaming serpente, serpente, aiuto, and you might not know what that means, but now you do, so you're welcome. Not only am I helping you with your skin, I'm also helping you in life in general. Can you see how much value you're getting out of me? So just subscribe and turn the bell icon on. I'm getting so needy right now. I'm sorry. But anyways, it is now time to read my favorite comments in my second last video. It was the collagen pill peptide supplement powder, card right up here. If you haven't seen that video, make sure you go watch it. But in that video, I say why collagen is really important to be in your diet. I'm not going to tell you why you need it because I've talked about it in this video, and this video is getting quite long. As you can see from my watch, it's getting quite long. So let's move on to my favorite comments. The first one is from Christina. Hi Christina baby, I know that you are one of my new subscribers and I'm so thankful to have you here in the family. Hope you're seeing this and you didn't get bored of me before reaching this stage of the video. But anyways, the comment says, OMG, good on you for getting your collagen early. See, she knows what the tea is. Turning 31, love that. I'm so proud of you for knowing and caring about your skin. Good job. Just started taking it months ago. Yeah, it does make your hair grow. Didn't do much for my acne. So Christina, is that your dog, by the way? I'm hoping that's your dog, but it's so cute. Oh, it's so pretty. But thank you, Christina, for subscribing. I love you so much. I hope you stick around a little bit more and watch more of my videos. Also, there is another comment from Izar G, and I feel like he's a new subscriber to my channel as well. And ooh, actually his profile picture, I don't know if that's him, but he's quite muscular in that picture. Hello daddy. I'm sorry, that was disrespectful. That was my bad. I'm sorry. Why you allowed me to be like this in this video? Honestly, I'm so sorry. Anyways, the comment says, you're welcome. Honestly, what could I say? This comment said it all. You are welcome. What is this video? I am so sorry that I'm in this day. I'm not high, I'm not drunk, it's just me. But anyways, if you thought that you were ambitious just to click off this video and go away, as always, girl, no, stop it. Why do you think you're supposed to do that? I have other videos on this channel. Why do you think I always make other videos? For you to ignore them? No, that is so rude for you to do. Would you, if someone was talking to you in real life, would you be ignoring them? I don't think you would. So you have to just watch these other two videos, or you're gonna be rude. So if you wanna be rude, then go away. If you don't wanna be rude, if you don't like being rude, which you shouldn't be, then watch these other two videos. But oh, remember to be random. Always be random.
I think we should talk.